Greg.
Where's Manny?
Oh. But I got a question.
You did?
If I come in the school bus, is that a Twinkie? I guess not.
Oh my god, what the heck?
Did you hear me?
Yeah. I was just processing it, like...
But is it
Did you
true?
hear that right?
That's true though, right? Not with kids in it. Never mind, let me chill. Never mind. Yeah, so I'm outside right now. I'm going for my little fitness walk. And then you texted me, I'm like,
Oh, you
I guess I gotta go back
Carl
home.
did it with the girl on the school bus.
yeah, he told me he was like 10 or something like that.
Yeah, I always bring that up. He's like, stop bringing that up.
Yeah, he said he was traumatized. He told me like she forced him to do it or something like that.
Oh, Jesus.
I think that's right. Don't take my word for it, but where's Manny, bro? He literally said Gio's on, but he's on the match.
You think you could text him real quick?
You could text, yeah, I'll text him.
Alright.
All right, there you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, he said he was traumatized. Like he said that she kind of forced him to do it or whatever. He didn't want to. He said it was the best day ever. Well, I don't know. I don't think it was bad. I mean, he's a weird dude. So,
Yeah.
who do you think is the weirdest in the chat? I gotta say, what's his name? George. I think he's the weirdest in the chat because he'd be saying he'd literally come out of nowhere and ask the most weirdest questions and leave and not even come back.
Yeah,
At least you and Carl would stay there for a little bit. Yeah, because you and Carl would stay there for a little bit. Even I, will answer him and all that. But he just literally say one question, and 2 days later he comes back with another weird question.
Yeah, you saw what he said about the urinals? You know what I mean, I said?
Yeah, I was like, what the heck? Sometimes I don't even answer. I'm just like, okay. But we said so much weird stuff in that chat. I'm surprised, like, people like Alejandro are even in there.
I've at least calmed down from all the stuff that I used to say, though.
Oh yeah, that's for sure. Even in Clark, when I was there, you would say some weird things.
Yeah, last year, I said so much stuff. Every day.
Oh?
What the heck?
I'm literally outside doing that. I'm not joking when I said I'm outside.
That reminds me of
Is that a
the
cat?
one time Manny was playing at Walmart.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I even heard the beep from the cashier as we were playing on Mirror.
That's funny. I think the only exotic place I played is right now, probably. Any other time, it's probably. I think that's it. I mean, I usually play it at home at my cousin's house when I'm in Indiana. Other than that, I'm usually at home. I played in the car once, I think. Because you have to play at home. That's why I'm trying to hurry back home.
I wonder how.
Because I'm
Manny
off
played
tomorrow.
at Walmart. That surprised
That's
me.
funny.
Like, he legit did it.
That's funny. Where is he, bro? Oh, he's on right now, isn't he?
Not as Gio.
No, he's on. I can see his gamer tag,
You good?
right?
Send them
I
the-
see it. Oh no, never mind. Oh, that's Gio. Gio, where's me?
What the heck? What is going on? Wants to do a quick match?
Yeah, just do the quick match.
I was about to say something dumb, but I stopped myself. Oh, this is a shotgun game. What the heck? Shotgun, but there's no shotgun. Never mind.
You literally, Greg, you literally said there's no shotgun, but there's no shotgun.
No, I said it's shotgun, but there is no shotgun.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. I don't have a gun.
Shotgun
God.
blasted me. Enemy over here.
Watch out!
Red on Geo. No, Kenny. Oh my god. Get wrecked. Oh, I need backup. Backup. He's reviving his teammate. He's reviving the teammate I destroyed. They're both in here.
I was AFK. I don't have a gun still, bro.
Marked a location.
Oh, you're dead.
Marked a location.
Careful.
I'm about to die. Where is that? I can't get inside. I can't get inside. I can't get inside. I can't get inside.
Just run.
Oh crap. Give me your stuff, Gio.
Just run.
Oh. I try to get a gun, dang. Oh, where's Manny?
I destroyed his teammate though. He jumped in midair and I blasted him. What you think I was?
Alright, I'm ready. Are we doing a quick match?
Yeah, until Medic gets on.
He said he's holding up.
Oh, okay. Alright, a lot of people are landing. Oh crap.
Okay, we'll clutch it like last time.
A shotgun, but oh, okay, never mind. I always speak to the I was about to say the same thing as last time too.
I literally have a pan and a grenade.
Well, I guess then you can smack her. No, I'm just kidding.
Alright, I'm leaving.
Smack her.
Bro, I ain't got no gun, cuh.
Oh, hello.
But I think it's something. Oh, never mind. Dame un pistola. Dime. What?
Wait, what'd you say?
Nothing.
There's 2 enemies over here.
Whoa! Come down! I don't have a gun, just a pan and a grenade, literally.
Okay, I shouldn't have shot at them then.
My god. Oh, they're running up on me. They're right
Oh,
there. Oh,
many
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm
spectators.
dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm
Marked
dead.
a
I'm dead. I'm
location.
dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Come to me, come to me, come to me. Not like that.
Whoa!
Marked a location.
I knew you were gonna say something.
Where you at? Where you at, cuz?
I don't know.
Oh, he's
where
literally
you're at.
coming into the building right now. On the left side. What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Let me get his stuff. Let me get his stuff. I got nothing. Oh, I'm about to
Now
die.
you're running. Now you're running.
Yeah, 2 shotguns, Gio. You got something?
Watch it, watch it. He's around here. Is he on the roof?
Oh my gosh, Greg!
Get behind a tree!
Get wrecked,
Get
kid.
behind a tree!
I took out both of them. He started freaking out when I jumped out and took out his teammate like that. He was like, oh crap, and then he started running. Oh, now we can't get on the roof. Where are the guns on the roof? Remember that?
Yeah.
That used to always get me real mad. Oh, we got footsteps. Over here, over
Marked a
here.
location.
Is he upstairs?
There's 5 people left.
Oh, over here, over here. Got him.
Oh, there's 4 people left. What is number 4 doing?
I don't know. We gotta get to the zone though. Stay together.
Oh, there's a chicken
Marked a
magnet card. Oh, no.
location.
Never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind.
Shots at Geo.
Marked a location.
Dang, I ain't even got a
Yep, they're in here. Oh! Greg.
Where's he at?
Upstairs, upstairs, upstairs.
Stay still. Geo, don't rush yet. We'll all rush together. Overwhelm him.
Oh, behind you, Greg, behind you, Greg!
Sorry, Chris.
God. It's all bad. Did you just loot my body?
It's for the greater good.
Marked a location. Marked a location.
Up there. We can't climb up this way. We gotta go around.
There's literally one person left. Or two people left.
Over here.
There he is.
Marked a location. Enemies ahead.
That was cool.
Easy claps. That was a beast.
Manny, get on! Bro, this man. He rejected my invitation.
Oh, there we go.
Are you doing mirror? Yeah. Alright, I'm ready. My body's ready.
Wait, what? We got the whole squad together now. They can't stop us now. We're winning this. Wait, it's not showing me the flight path. What the heck? I think my game is glitched.
You didn't hear nothing, did you? Oh yeah!
Hey, is there not showing you the flight path?
It's showing me the flight path.
Yeah, mine is glitched. Okay, there we go.
Alright, guys. We're going to San Martin. Manny, can you talk?
Probably can't right now.
All good.
That shotgun blasting her puss though. No, I'm just kidding.
Whoa!
What the heck?
Help!
What?
Was that you?
No.
That was probably the random.
No. I heard it too, but my thing's on team.
Well, you think that's
Not on all.
Mine's
Yeah,
at
so
all,
it
I
was
thought
Gio or Manny. It sounded like a muffled, like someone was speaking into like the intercom or something.
Yeah, it sounded like a random just going random. Basically.
What the hell?
A random going random.
Oh my gosh, why do we keep landing in the same spot?
Cause it's good. Well,
No, it's
I'm not
not.
sure about now,
There's
but,
no
like,
guns here.
my favorite spot. Like,
I know I know it's a pretty spot. There's just no ammo.
Getting shot at already.
That's
At
what I'm
least there's
saying, bro. I
guns
got
on the
enemies.
Watch
roof.
out!
Where are the guns on the roof?
Oh, I just got sniped
Where you at?
on top of the roof because I'm trying to look for the guns on the roof. Oh, he's at 25 in that building.
Hopefully
Watch
he
out.
can't hit us. As soon as we get up, we gotta run down. No, don't shoot back. Don't bust back.
Stop, Chris.
Oh!
Why'd you bust back?
Why'd I bust my... I had
Hello?
to, bro. You
Hello?
know,
Only
bro.
bust
Hey,
once.
Manny. Hey, Manny.
Tu
Hey, Manny.
papi munheño.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
You only bust once.
Oh, behind you, Greg. Behind you, Greg. Behind you, Greg. Behind you, Greg.
Where?
205. He's mine. I need help.
No,
Headshot.
I need
Whoa.
ammo. Or...
damn!
Manny, you good? You good? I'm running.
They
I'm
were right
running.
across from us, and I was trying to pull out my gun.
Yeah, don't go on the roof.
Oh, crap! Where you shoot me at?
Come over here. Come over here.
Crap, I died.
Where he at?
I don't know. Dang it.
Mark the location.
Oh, they're gonna come.
I didn't see them.
Yo, get a phone, bro! What are you doing?
What the heck? There's two of them.
Look at you!
There was two.
Oh my! What the hell, dude?
Hey, this
Stop
time,
taking a jab,
next time we're
boy.
getting him. Next time we're getting him.
Dude, we gotta make a